think that today is the first day of my life. Today is the first day of my life and I should do each and everything with a great amount of energy. How? How you will do that? So for that, discover yourself, work smart, eat light. You must not eat like a devil. You must eat light. You must live simple, learn steady, breathe deep, eat generous, improve your memory, think positive, and strengthen all your skills. Like the learning skills, you have to strengthen to be good student. To become a good student, you must develop your learning skills. Now discover yourself. You must discover yourself. You must discover the capacities, whatever capacities you have in your life. You must dream big. You must have a goal which is bigger in your life. Always remember that success comes from desire, decision, and determination. You must have some desire to get success. You must take tough decisions for that, and you must have some determination. Then discover your potential. Fruit says, but I am within you. Realize hidden potential which is within you. Like that, students, my friends, you must realize the hidden potential within you. You have enough potential, just you have to discover the potential within you. Caterpillar becomes a butterfly. It shows struggle are essential. Without struggle, caterpillar cannot become a butterfly. Like that, if you want to become a successful person in your life, then you have to struggle. You have to study. You have to develop learning skills to achieve your goal, to get high marks in your exams. Here, the tiny seed knew that in order to grow it, needed to be dropped in dirt, covered in darkness, and struggle to reach the light. Any seed, if a seed had to grow in a plant, then he has to struggle. It has to struggle in his life. It has to go inside a dirty soil. It has to get covered under darkness for a long time, and he has to struggle to reach the light. Then only it can grow into a complete plant. Likewise, you have to struggle. You have to struggle in your life. Then only you can grow as a good student, as a good human being, as a good personality. Always work smart. It's right that you have to work harder to get success. But in this new era of education, you have to work smart. Rather than working hard, you have to work smart. You can see in the picture. In the first picture, this person is working harder. But in second picture, you can see the man is working smarter. Then, eat light. Moderation is the mantra. You must have moderation. You must have capacity. You must have attention in your life. You are what you eat. Whatever you eat definitely controls your mind. Mornings more, night less. You have to eat more in morning. You must take good breakfast. But dinner must be light. Eat variety of foods. Avoid sugar, salt and oil. You must avoid excess of sugar. I don't say that don't eat sugar, salt, and all at all, but keep their quantity less. Listen to your body, space smaller portions. Then you have to live simple, eating much of the fast food, eating much of the pizza and burger, always drinking tea and coffee. This is not life, my friends. You must live simple. You have to learn steady. Be a lifelong student. Enjoy learning. Then you have to breathe deep. You must have developed some healthy habits. Reduce your stress. Keep clean. Get enough sleep. Drink plenty of water and exercise body and brain. Exercise not only your body but also your brain. Think positive and be grateful. Let us see a story of Arthur Ashe. He was a Wimbledon player and he was dying of AIDS, which he got due to infected blood he received during a heart surgery in 1983. What happened? That during a heart surgery he got infected with AIDS. Then from world over he received letters from his fans. Many of his fans sent him some letters, one of which conveyed that why does God have to select you for such a bad disease? To his, Arthur replied, the world over 50 million children start playing tennis. 5 million learn to play tennis. 5 lakh learn professional tennis. 50,000 come to the circuit. 5,000 reach to the Grand Slam. 50 reach to Wimbledon. 4 reach to semi-final. And 2 of them reach to finals. When I was holding a cup, I never asked God, why me? And today, in pain, I should not be asking God, why me? So my friends, attitude matters. That was the attitude of Arthur Ashe. Like that, you must have attitude in your life. Such type of attitude each and every person must have in his life. Attitude matters. Are you carrying bricks or building a temple? No job is small. If you are a worker who is carrying the bricks for building a temple, or you are an engineer, if you are an engineer who is building the temple, no job is small here. See the bigger gifts of life. Child lost is restored, but sandal is missing. Patience. Every time the fight is late, fantastic, create a positive energy. We have to strengthen our skills. You must develop some skills like communication skills, in which you must get ability to communicate in a better way with others. You must develop interpersonal skills. Then you have to develop motivational skills. We have to motivate ourselves as well as others. We have to develop leadership skills. Then we have to develop decision making skills. You must have ability to make any decision in your life. We have to develop time management skills. You must have an ability of time management. It is the most important thing. Now let us see some tips to improve your life. First one is personality. Don't compare your life to others. You have no idea what their journey is all about. We have tendency of comparing ourselves with others, but this is not a good thing. Never compare yourself with others. Dream more while you are awake. Then life is too short to waste your time hating others. Don't hate others. Always don't hate others. You should not hate others. Make peace with your past so it won't spoil the present. No one is in charge of your happiness except you. You don't have to win every argument. Agree to disagree. All these are the things which will develop great personality within you. Then, what is community? What is about the community we have to do in your life? First of all, spend quality time with your family. We see in our life that each and every person in the family is engaged in internet and mobile, and he don't have a time, a quality time to spend with others. This should not happen. Always give something good to others every day. You must give some good. Always give good, not bad. Spend time with people over 60 and under 6. Here over 60 means your grandparents, and under 6 means the little children in our family. You must spend quality time with them. Try to make at least one person smile each day. In each and every day, you must try to smile a person because of you. My friends, if a person smiles because of you, it is a great achievement in your life. Your job will not take care of you when you are sick, but your family and your friends will take care at that time when you are sick. So this is all about the community. Then what about our life? How we can improve our life? However good or bad a situation, it will change. My friends, the time, the situation is not always same. If this time is good, another time will come which is bad. Time never remains same in your life. No matter how you feel, get up, dress up and show up. Get rid of anything that isn't useful, beautiful or joyful. In this way, you can improve your life by working on these three tasks, that is personality, community and life. Then what are the tips to improve your life? Here I am going to give some tips to improve your life, my friends. First one is improve physical well-being. You have to improve the physical well-being. For that you have to eat healthy food. Lose your weight. If you are having more weight, then first of all you have to lose your weight. Exercise more for that. Eat better. Quit smoking. You don't have to smoke or get alcohol. It is a bad thing. Always get rid of bad habits. Then improve mental well-being. Think positive, laugh more often, enjoy life for that. Then improve finances. Get out of debt, save money, make a small investment. Then you have to improve your career. For that, you have to perform better and better. Get a better job, establish your own business. If you are not getting a job, if you have not a person to be made for a job, then you can start your businesses. Then improve education. For that, improve grades, get a better education, learn something new, read more and improve skills. Then improve self. Become more organized, reduce stress, manage time, be more independent, watch less television and avoid being laziness. Laziness is a bad thing in our life. Then take a trip, get along better with people, improve your social skills and make new friends in your life. These all are the tips to improve your life. So this is the way to get success. For that, what you have to do? What you do today can improve all your tomorrows. So always work from today. Don't think that this work I will do it tomorrow. Because what you do today can improve all your tomorrows.